welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Andre as he addresses issues that are affecting Jamaica. Mainly, he's speaking about women and men that are living in the uptown area and the issues surrounding them. Also, he went on to say that he's the only one that's given the true information to his people. So please like, share, and subscribe and follow the video now.
I'm going to say to you, Jamaica, let us visit uptown Jamaica, Cherry Gardens, Beverly Hills, Red Hills, many of them, Jamaica, they're slaves to their husbands. Many of them, Jamaica, literally are abused by their husbands. Many of them, Jamaica, the husband lives a double life where he's living as a father and a husband in the house, but outside he's having sex with men. Many of them, Jamaica, get STDs from their husbands on the basis that the husband is also having unprotected sex outside of the marriage with both men and women. Many of them, Jamaica, can't cook or hold them man. Many of them get beat up. When you look them have to wear the big glasses, them go in a supermarket. You never ever see them come in at the supermarket. And if them should have ever take off the glasses or the eye black and blue. Tell me if I lie, me I tell you in Jamaica. Many of them, the husband and molest the children. Many of them, Jamaica, the husband is affected. The world, the husband is having sex with the children, molesting the little boys. Allow me to tell Jamaica. Many of them are crying for help. Many of them, the helper is the matey. Many of them, the helper is the matey. Many of them. And when the husband gone, the gardener service them. Or the maintenance man a service them. Many of them know say incest in them family. And them a say, hi, how are you? And when you look, you know, always wonder why so much of them children have disabilities when their children born. Because of the father impregnate the daughter. Many of them, the children have mental health struggles because the children see the kind of torture that the mothers go through. Allow me to tell Jamaica. So when you don't see them a come and I tell them for go, just remind them of their stories, them unhappy, sad life. You know much of them commit suicide where we don't know about. You know much of them where the man disappear, them and only don't know. Because the man, a high profile politician and businessman, when we just call the police and them just disappear the body. Yes. So So when you hear them a come and attack, enough for them unhappy. Enough for them very unhappy. So that's the first thing me never appreciate today. But then I said to myself, why is Jamaica really celebrating 60 years of emancipation? Why are we really celebrating 60 years of emancipation when as a nation, are we really emancipated? I'm going to say something to you. Not found there from overseas. I want to bless me from time to time. But yesterday, it was a shame. I over 10,000 on the platform with me last night. And I must $30 or $40 come in. And I yes alone and I get the truth, you know. Yes alone and I get the truth. $30 or $40. But are we truly emancipated? So I'm being corrected. It's 184 years of emancipation because we have been emancipated from 1834. Me Zelda de me PayPal, everything de my friends. Come on, man. A 6,500 are we there. I always say if everybody give a $10 or a $20 cumulatively, it adds up. Me no want a big support from money, you know. But cumulatively, if we can give one $10, one $20, only can imagine the kind of support that can be.